In this video, we'll talk about daily optimism habits. Optimism will enhance your life. It is the necessary ingredient for happiness and success. As we've discussed, the good news is that we're able to shift our mindset from negative to positive by making better choices and becoming more aware of our thoughts and actions. In addition to making changes in the way we think, there are countless small daily habits that will keep our optimism thriving. These are life-affirming steps that help us find the buried treasures in every single day. 1. Smile more. It's as simple as that. You'll be surprised at the difference it makes in your day. 2. Find something funny. Instead of watching the dreaded news, tune into a good comedy. People who laugh live longer. 3. Make a list of all the people on whom you can depend. As you become more optimistic, watch that list grow. 4. Leave a hidden note for your spouse or your kids. Know that you've made their day. 5. Do a good deed. Help someone with their bundles. Let someone ahead in line at the grocer's. Karma will hit you back when you're not looking. 6. Pamper yourself. Occasionally treat yourself to something special, whether a night out in a ritzy restaurant or a splurge outfit. 7. Develop a tradition, whether it's Sunday dinner, weekend brunch, or Wednesday family game night. 8. Listen to your favorite song once a day. 9. Explore a street or neighborhood that is unfamiliar to you. Maybe it has something nice to offer. 10. Pessimists sometimes find it difficult to bond with people. Become more sociable. Spend 5 minutes chatting with someone in the lunchroom. Ask the checkout clerk how his or her day is going. Say hi to the bus driver. Optimistic people are genuinely interested in others. 11. View duties as privileges. We all have things we have to do, whether it's go to work, pay the bills, or clean our house. Most of us wish we could avoid these chores. We can when we change have to are able to. You're able to go to work because you have a job. You're able to pay the bills because you earn a salary. You are able to clean the house because you are fortunate to have a nice place to live. Shifting from one word to another makes a huge difference in how we perceive our lives. 12. Do the crossword puzzle. It's fun, and it provides you with an instant sense of accomplishment. 13. You make choices every day. Start to question each choice, such as where to have lunch, etc., and ask yourself how and if it benefits you. Consider all your options. One pessimist had breakfast at the same diner for years because change of any kind unnerved him. 14. Make a list about everything you don't like in your life. You may not be able to fix all, but you should be able to turn some of them around. 15. Candles hold a special power. Light 1 or 2 for dinner or during a relaxing bath. 16. Music and dance can touch the soul. Listen to some uplifting melody every chance you have. And move those feet. Even if you're a klutz, it's impossible not to feel happy when dancing. Take a class, learn to line dance or square dance. 17. Start each day with a purpose. It can be as simple as finishing a report or going to the park for lunch. But follow through on your plan. It's another way to see accomplishments come to fruition. 18. Read books about successful people who dared to dream. It will inspire you to do the same. 19. Stress can make optimism difficult. How can you feel optimistic when your mind is bogged down with a litany of worries? Develop the habits of daily meditation, which is proven to be a tremendous stress reliever. Simply find a quiet place, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing for 15 minutes to half an hour. By clearing your brain of negativism, you are able to focus on more positive aspects of your life. 20. Tell yourself every day, when I change my thinking, I change my life.